She to bani kindel lober del dangel kumoru juja dada madai shido dil jada tamba kadil jumi kruji jamche ba Jasim damba toka mije gishindo Sibahanam ye dowa dilwala sheze Rigi che pencil ne dongai chila Kelsa damba wakru jamche ba Bacu igel kungi shindu saçın kayındı bodo ceyi çüda deva cindu jasim çögili cune sane sembi tülzu cam çemba Namde toza rinjun kine jo pai manga dai miwani chemo chugel zo jengin be chuleni damba gami to cheje be jam chemba Chirimni lamne chonyuni duba jata duma chine tiljuna revi dombi heru kaba jamche bandeno zoba chimbo bumde Kuruji menagi zezin naji tarachi jalu pundu sheba shizi shiri senha jamche bandeno paye gebo indi palani Jindo ne dam chula jube lohi pai jizu kachendo sheba dupchen dari kapa jam cheba deno lope pene jizu tiche so deji tula toda tani jembe saje kuzize jambe sawa gimsha jamche bandeno Jaydi chungi sude zembu tiso kilo tawa jintu lobe jembe jesu mi jebi zudo lo chen den ma jam che ba cho khawi gi dil jala goni barbiri thu phayulin sum du kurji na ro me te chi zu gil sa tu ma se sanda mar ba lo cha jam che ba so so zembi engom til tim ni bo jam che ba de no rin che li ben chi zo ke du gi ge bo chi ta kro da len do ril du gi so tile namji dubi kinchi yuze lama jam che ba de no tai ming jana gel boy lun chen gi gi chute lam la june jam ling so Pabi ne de zu tulgi jambi tai jin zu tul chen ji jam che ba de del khor che dai zu la tho dil da che du rin chen dam boy gel wi ka te na na ba ju shi ju wi mi wang gi zu zu gel se chu gel rab ten jam che ba de no chu ta ri bi ne so thu long du kil jin ben chen gel pui zu zu do de
The short biography of Khunsig Taisidu Rinpoche. Early life and recognition. He was born in 1954 in Durgay, eastern Tibet. He was recognized as the 12th Tai Sidupa by the 16th Gyalwang Karmapa. He was enthroned at Palpung Monastery. Key roles and activities. He is a significant Buddhist master within the Karma Kagyu tradition. He was a close student of the 16th Gyalwang Karmapa. He served as a principal teacher to the 17th Gyalwang Karmapa, Ajahn Trinley Dorje. He recognized and enthroned the 17th Karmapa. He established Sherab Ling Monastery in northern India. He travels extensively, providing Buddhist teachings globally. He is known to be a scholar, poet, calligrapher, artist, author, architect, and geomancer. Monastic responsibilities. He oversees a large network of Karma Kagyu monasteries, retreat centers, and Dharma centers worldwide. He has made substantial contributions to the training of future generations of Buddhist masters. In essence, Khunsig Taisidu Rinpoche is a highly respected figure in Tibetan Buddhism, known for his spiritual leadership, scholarship, and diverse range of skills.
Sa cho rim pu na wa jam che